Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into a fantastic trick that lets you use the powerful Google Circle to Search feature on any Android phone, even if it's not rooted. This means you can quickly search for anything from contacts to apps to web queries right from your home screen or any other app. To get started, you'll need to Essential App's Google Circle to Search. This app provides the core functionality of the Circle to Search feature. Action Notch Pro. This app will help us trigger the Circle to Search interface from any screen. You can find the app files for both apps in the video description. Before installing APKs, you'll need to enable unknown sources on your phone. This allows you to install apps from sources other than the Google Play Store. To do this, go to your phone's settings greater than Security and Privacy, install unknown apps. Once you've enabled unknown sources, locate the downloaded app files and tap on them to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installing, open the Google Circle to Search app. You'll see a circular interface on your screen. Open the Action Notch Pro app. Similar to the previous app, grant the necessary permissions, including accessibility permission. This permission allows the app to interact with other apps on your device. You can customize the appearance of the notch to match your preferences. However, for our purpose, the default settings should work fine. The key step is to assign the Circle to Search app to the notch. This will trigger the Circle to Search interface whenever you tap on the notch. Go to the app's settings and configure the desired action. Now, whenever you want to use the Circle to Search feature, simply tap on the notch. This will bring up the circular interface, allowing you to search for anything from contacts to apps to web queries. You can quickly access information without leaving your current app. The Circle to Search interface provides a streamlined way to search for anything. Ensure that both apps have the necessary permissions. By following these steps, you can enjoy the convenience of the Google Circle to Search feature on any Android phone without the need for rooting. This method offers a flexible and efficient way to access information, making your smartphone experience even more seamless. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.